Good morning, friends. It's the first of the month. We're gonna do a fridge clean out to start the month off with a clean fridge. I'm gonna start with this side of the fridge. I think this is stained. It's not really coming off. I don't know if you guys can see it right here. I'm actually just gonna throw this out. Fun fact, apple cider vinegar is actually really good for you. Now I'm just gonna kind of reorganize the fridge. I'm gonna throw all of these away because we haven't eaten them and they've been in the fridge for a while. Quick wipe down just to kind of take out any crumbs. Garbage. I'm gonna put the cream cheese and the sour cream over here. Also gonna put both beef broth over here. The ham. The juices back up here. This is the last thing. Starting off the first of the month with a nice and clean fridge. All right, guys, well, I hope this video motivated you guys just a little bit to have a fresh start for the beginning of the month. Thank you guys so much for coming along with me. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.